Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Stephanie Scordia, and I'm an associate professor of English as well as the professional learning coordinator at CCP. And as one of the three people responsible for bringing you this orientation, I just want to introduce myself and welcome you all to the college. I began working here in 2007 as an adjunct instructor, and I became part of the full-time faculty in 2010. And of course, things are still a little different. You know, we're not on campus and we're not in person, so we're bringing this orientation experience to you virtually. But again, I just wanted to introduce myself, welcome you all, and encourage you to explore what we have provided here in these modules. Reach out to myself or Fran or Garija if you have questions. And I just wish you all the best of luck this semester and throughout your time at CCP. Thank you. Take care.